Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, you are going to learn on how to select elements from NumPy array in a Python. So this is my code snippet over here. I have copied this code and I have pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So let's get started. First of all, what is NumPy array? So NumPy array is similar to array as we have seen in C and C++, but the advantage is it is much faster. The computation as compared to normal arrays is much faster in a NumPy array. So now let's try to understand what are these vectors, the terms that I have used, and the matrix and the tensor. Now, vector is a simple 1D array. So np dot you can see it is a simple 1D array. Now now matrix. Now matrix is a 2D array. So you can see this is a 2D array having rows and columns. Now tensor. So tensor is a very important concept in machine learning and is widely used in deep learning in image processing. So tensor is you can also say that tensor is a 3D array, but uh, in order to generalize tensor, a 1D array can be a tensor 2, a 2D array can be a 2D matrix can be a tensor 2, as well as 3D or ND. But the main thing that people miss is about tensor is not fixed, it's not constant, it changes. So how does it changes? Now suppose I have a tensor, and due to some manipulation in this tensor, I'm getting a value x. Now now suppose I'm using 7 to 8 tensor. For example, if you know neural networks, all of them are connected in layers. So now if I don't use tensor, I use a matrix, and I want to change a value in a matrix over there. So if I want to change the value over there, I have to change values for all the matrix. So they perform so that it basically implies with what I have changed. Now in tensor, if I change a value of matrix at one point or a tensor at one point, the tensor itself adjusts itself in order to compensate for the change. So basically, if you change something somewhere in the tensor over there, it will change itself in order to comply with what you have changed in any of the layer in a neural network. So this is what makes tensors so dynamic and so efficient in machine learning, as it popularly used in deep learning too. Now so that was about vector, matrix and tensor. Now let's try to understand the code. So vector numpy array. Now I have defined a numpy array and I have named it vector. So if I want to select as it is a 1D array, it's simple. This denotes 0, this is 1, this is 2 and so on. So if I write vector 1, that is the index 1, so it will print 2 for me. Now about the matrix. So np dot matrix. Now I have defined a matrix. It is a 2D matrix 3 into 3. Now matrix 1 1. So this means go to the first yes now see how the numbering of the matrix is done. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and for the columns the same. This is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So if I write matrix 1 1, it will go to the first row and then the first column. So this means it will go to this row and it will go to 5. So 5 will be printed for matrix 1 1. Now for tensor, if I write so this is the tensor that I have defined. It is a 3D tensor. Now if I write 1 1 1, this means go to the first row, first column, and then pick this. So 1 means this is 0 and this is 1. So this will go to first one means this will go to this row. Now again this one. So this one means go to so this is now for this row, this is 0 and this is 1. So 1 means it will go to this. Now after that I am writing 1 again. So this means it will this means if there are 4, this is 4 and 4 and this is 4 and 4. So this means it will select this instead of this. Now as I've written the numbers same, so it's hard to understand. If I write 5, so you can see how the value changes. So 1 means first go to this row, then in this go to this one. So this is 1, and after that go to this. So this is 1. So this was all about codes in this video. For more codes recipes like this, you can visit our website as well as our YouTube channel. You can also visit our website for more industry relevant project like this. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and the URL for the code of this video is available in the description below. Thank you.